everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to try a little bit of an experiment with some leftover flip cups. I'm working on a 12 by 16 art panel. It's primed with black gesso, but I'm going to do, I think, a split base on it. I think I'll do white. How am I going to get this even? I guess it'll be close. Okay, so what I'm using is actually the leftovers from flip cups. So now I did a painting yesterday and I just kind of put all the cups together, like all the purpley ones. I just tipped them on top of each other like this, and then it all ran in, and then I put them all together and it made quite a bit. And this is just, this would have been thrown away. So this is like all recycled paint. Sweet. I did a Dutch pour. My first one. And here it is dry.